Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about tracking accuracy in a scientific approach. Let's look at this honestly. If you don't measure something, how do you know if you are improving? You might feel like you are getting better, or you might doubt yourself completely. But without clarity, it's just a guesswork. So today, we are going to bring in something very powerful, a simple scientific way to track your progress. Why tracking matters. When you start practicing, sending thoughts, receiving impressions, your experiences can feel unclear. Sometimes you might feel that was accurate, other times that didn't match at all. Tracking helps you stay grounded, see patterns, build confidence based on evidence. What does accuracy mean here? Let's define this clearly. Accuracy doesn't mean perfect, exact matches every time. Instead, it means how closely your impressions match the intended signal. There are levels, exact match, partial match, or no match. All of them matter. A simple tracking system. Let's keep this very easy. After each practice session, what was sent? For example, a red circle. What was received? For example, orange shape. And then type of match. Was it exact, partial, or none? That's it. No overcomplication. You can also have a scoring. If you want a clearer system, exact match, let's say 2 points, partial match, 1 point, and if it's a no match, 0 points. After multiple rounds, you can see your overall pattern. Next is looking for patterns. This is where it becomes powerful. After a few sessions, ask, am I getting more partial matches over time? Do I perform better when I am calm? Does my focus affect results? Now you are not guessing, you are observing trends. Next is removing bias. This is very important. Avoid only remembering your good results and ignoring misses or overinterpreting vague matches. Stay honest because real progress comes from clarity, not assumption. And of course, keep it light. Tracking is not meant to create pressure, it's meant to create understanding. So don't think I need to score high. Think I'm learning how my mind works. And at last, you don't need to believe to see progress. You need observation because when you track your experience clearly, you move from maybe this is working to I can see what's improving. And that shift builds real confidence. In the next lesson, we'll clear out final barriers in this section, common mistakes and how to fix them so you can refine your practice even further. I'll see you in the next lecture.